Quick reminder that you can actually make money by sharing my overlays. There will be a form in the description. Hey guys, Get Level here, and today we have a brand new animated overlay pack for your Twitch channels. This one is called Edge, and today I'm gonna show you everything that's included in the pack. So let's start by showing you what it would actually look like once you have it set up. As you can see here, we have this animated screen. It is perfectly looped, so there's no telling where the loop ends or starts. It's if you see it cutting in this video, is because I'm editing it to my voice. At the bottom here, you can see a labels bar with your stream labels. I will show you every single file that's included, don't worry. We're gonna see a little transition here. There you go. That brings you to the intermission screen. This is where you can talk to your chat, but different than my other overlays, this intermission screen is actually 16:9. So if you want to place yourself top right here and actually put the gameplay here and having your chat, you can actually do that. Okay, this is kind of particular because I've seen people use the intermission screen as an actual gameplay scene, so I wanted to make it fit. Basically, so now it fits. Okay, 16:9, you can put the gameplay or your face here, you decide, really. Okay, labels bar is at the bottom here. I have my chat on the right here where I can say hi, and Nightbot will say hi back. We'll say, oh hi Mark. And let's go to the game scene. Now I have like a video of playing Apex right there, and as you can see, this is my animated webcam overlay playing right now. And up top you will see the labels bar. The reason why I have the labels bar up top is just because it matches Apex, but you can really put it wherever you want. If you want it down there, oops, no, Control Z, boom. If you want it to be down there, you can also do that. Or if you want to resize it, put it under the webcam, whatever. It just looks good on Apex like this. Okay, then we're gonna have a be right back screen. Okay, and then we'll have the stream ending. All right, make sure that you know how to do all this, and if you don't know how to do all this, just read the product description. There will be a tutorial. There will be information on how to learn how to set all of those up. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you every file that is included. I don't have the zip file here, but it will be a zip file. Okay, first thing you're gonna see, it's gonna be a zip file. You need to unzip the file. If you don't know how to unzip a file, again, that will be mentioned in the product description. Please read product descriptions no matter what you're buying or downloading, even if it's free online. So you will have an animated folder where you will find all the screens that I showed you. On top of that, you will also find a background scene that is completely empty, so that if you want to customize in any way, shape or form, you could just add your own text. If you speak a different language, you don't speak English, you speak Spanish, French, whatever, you will have to just put your text in there. The font will be linked, guess where? In the description. That's right, congratulations. Okay, so then we're gonna have the be right back screen, the stream ending, the starting soon. I've shown you all that. The intermission is right here, and then you'll have the transition that I showed you, right? That's the transition. Now here's the thing, you can't just add a filter to a transition to change its color, because if you want to change the color, you can do that by adding a filter to let's say the intermission screen, intermission overlay, right click, plus click color correction. For example, we're gonna play with the hue, and boom, we change the color of the whole overlay, right? But you can't do that with the intermission, with the transition, sorry. So what did I do? I just gave you all of those transitions. I need to delete the XMP files. But I basically made sure that you have all of the colors included. If your color scheme black and white, you have a black and white transition. We have an extra blue, we have green, orange, pink, purple, red, and yellow. Okay, now something pretty extra that we also have in this overlay pack is alerts. We have different kinds of alerts. This is the bits alert, for example, and it basically shows what alert it is, and then it goes kind of transparent so that the information can show up on top of that alert. The cool thing here is the same animation for all of them. We have bits, we have a blank one just in case you don't want it to say anything. There's a donation, there's follower, gifted sub, host, merch, raid, resub, and subscriber. Just normal sub, basically. So no matter what service you're using, you can just upload those and use them as alerts. What else do we have? We also have in the static category, we have this transparent avatar thing that you can just drag and drop on a picture of yourself, for example, and then that will show up on your profile picture. It will really match the whole color scheme and style. There's also a normal background image in case you just want to use images instead of animations if your PC cannot handle it, but then you will just have to add the text again. Here you have your banner for your Twitch channel. We're gonna have this is like a static camera overlay if you want to use that. There's also an animated camera overlay. And here we have the labels. Now this is the labels affiliate. As you can see here, this is sub, this is cheer, and this is donation, right? And then here we have a blank one, just in case, I don't know, you want to customize them yourself. You know how to add an image to another image. I'm not responsible for you not knowing that. And then there's non-affiliate. So if you're not affiliate yet, you can't get subs, you can't get bits. So I thought of you. This is the heart is the follow, this is donation, and then this is top donator, basically. Okay, so I thought of everything. And then of course we have the currently offline image that is included in the pack, so that you have an offline image. Okay, now if you really don't know how to use any of it, how to add it yourself, I'm going to tell you something. First of all, if you are using Streamlabs OBS, there will be a .overlay file in the pack. There will probably be a folder called Streamlabs overlay file. And all you will have to do is go to settings in Streamlabs, go to scene collections, click import overlay file, and then go ahead and find that overlay file. So you don't need to add anything. You just click on that, you follow those instructions, and then everything that you're seeing here will appear. You will have all the scenes, all the sources. If you want to modify them, you will probably have to switch the camera around and stuff like that. Add your own alerts if you want to. But this is included for Streamlabs OBS users, okay? Not for OBS Studio. For OBS Studio, you'll have to add them manually, which I have tutorials on how to do that, okay? Another thing that you need to know is that I, for once, actually included a Photoshop file, actually 2 PSDs. PSD is going to be text panels and then text scenes. That means that if you want to add your own text and have it have the exact same style that I use for the overlay, I actually provided that. Hopefully by then you have installed the font. You need to install the font. If you're going to customize it, first thing you're going to do is install the font. Where can you find the font? Link, it's in the product description, okay? So as you can see here, your text, if you want to make like a starting soon screen in Spanish or in French, you can type whatever you want. And then all you have to do is export it as with a transparent background as a PNG. And then boom, you can just drag and drop it, or just add an image source to your Streamlabs or OBS Studio, and then boom, you have a customized scene. Now let's say that you want to make your own panels. There you go, you have a pretty much, well, we can call this a template actually. About me, you know, oh, messed it up, wish list, all of that. Knowing that I can't type today, knowing that also in the statics, I also included, I should have said that before, 21 items, 21 panels, including a blank one. So there's about, artwork, blank, commands, Discord, donate, Facebook, Instagram, merch, Patreon, rules, schedule, Snapchat, social, specs, subscribe, TikTok, Twitter, website, wishlist, YouTube. Okay. Now, if you don't like the font, for example, since this is included, plus you have the backgrounds, all you have to do is go here and just change the font and just redo the whole overlay pack if you want to. Actually, you can just use the background, and it's what, 3 scenes, and then whatever, how many panels you're gonna use, probably 6, and then you're good, and then you're Gucci. If you wanna learn how to customize and install all of that, again, I have tutorials, so check them out. Read the product description 10 times before deciding to download it. Once again, I have an affiliate program basically that you can use, so that if you get this overlay pack and people ask you, hey, where did you get that overlay pack? You can actually share your affiliate link. And if they decide to buy the overlay pack or any other overlay pack from your link, you're actually getting a percentage, 5% to be precise. And if they're downloading my free overlay packs and they decide to donate, you're actually getting a percentage of that donation too. The form will be in the description. Please read it carefully, okay? Make sure that you understand every single word that you read before you submit it, okay? Please, please, please. A couple of people submitted it and they obviously did not have a clue of what they were signing up for, which is so weird. Anyways, that's it. You will find this overlay pack at gumroad.com/GaelLevel. And if you have any questions about the overlay, about how to install it, all of that, watch my videos. Read the description over and over again, and then you can contact me on Discord. There will be a Discord link. Guess where? The product description, okay? Hopefully you guys like this one. I spent a lot of time working on it. It was a blast. I really loved the transition, to be fair. And yeah, hopefully you guys will like it too. But that will be all for me for today. I hope you guys like this video. Click like if you did, if you find it useful. And I will see you guys next time. Go out there, make me proud. GaelLevel out.